Hey everyone, this is BitRecon back with another video. Today we're going to use Nmap to scan and document network services. So essentially what we're doing right now is setting up a web server online using LabEx.io, and we're going to continue with this lab. So I'm going to just set up this mini lab with these instructions on the right, and I'll get right back to you. Great, so we're going to run a basic service scan on the web server essentially. So we're going to go back to our projects folder, which we are currently in. We're going to do sudo nmap lowercase s uppercase v localhost /p 8000. So look at HTTP is open. So essentially we got all these different things we typed in our command line interface. So command which we use, we got nmap -sv localhost -p 8000, kind of the port. If you want to read this, go ahead, pause the video, just go ahead and read this, but essentially we're gonna move on. We got the results back, right? Very quick since it's local. Port 8000 on TCP is open with the service HTTP with the version with a simple HTTP server 0.6 that is a Python HTTP server, which is amazing. It wants us to store, so we will. So we will store in the home/LabEx/projects. Great. Now so we can read the results. So we can just do cat nmap. And look, we got the same results in a text file. Amazing. If you want to read this, go ahead. Pause the video. Just go ahead and just read what kind of each thing does in a nutshell. But for the people that haven't used Nmap before, but we're gonna keep moving on. Now we can continue. Great. So in the professional security assessments and network audits, detailed documentation plays several key roles: snapshot of systems and services, tracking changes, compliance evidence, and planning improvements. Alright, so we're going to create a documentation file of our findings. So we're going to go back to already in the same directory, which is perfect. We're going to just touch to create it, and then nmap findings.txt. Perfect. So we're going to add a description header. Echo. Nmap has detected the following service running on localhost port 8000 in.txt. And then we're gonna do cat nmap. Nmap has detected the following service running on localhost port 8000. Okay, so this is the best practice for security documentation. Date and time of the assessment, tools used with the versions number. That's important. Scope of the assessment. Detailed findings with the evidence. Potential security implications. And recommendations for improvement. And then we use Nmap to detect the ports that were running on it, finding services as well, and documenting the findings. These skills are applicable in real-world scenarios like network inventory, security assessments, system admin, and compliance verification. Hope you guys enjoyed this short lab. You can kind of see the web interface, kind of the Python script that we used. It was the first lab, and it was amazing. Next video, I believe we're gonna do the next lab, because this website looks like they work very well. I've had trouble with, I believe, Try Hack Me, just because of the consistent issues of trying to start VMs and the sometimes erupt crashes that it has. But essentially, we just did some basic scanning with Nmap, and we documented network services. I'm using this. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next one.